You won't believe our next story. It's going to change your life. If you've ever clicked on an article promising you an unbelievable story only to be totally underwhelmed, then you've been reeled in by clickbait.
Clickbait has become an internet epidemic. Facebook and Google are trying to crack down on it, but we decided to turn it into something positive. We launched Clickbait For Good, a media platform curated by writers, creatives, and influencers that uses clickbait headlines to promote charities instead of trivial news. A headline about a guy turning his cat into a rug leads to a story about tigers being poached for their skin. What seems to be a story about a big yacht leads to a charity using boats to rescue refugees. A story about shocking final words leads to a charity that prevents suicide in LGBT communities. By visiting clickbaitforgood.org and sharing the articles on your social media, you can drive traffic to causes that affect real change. Media outlets across the world are already supporting the initiative, and over 200 charities have applied to be featured. With your help, more people will click on what really matters.